Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable Pinterest idea pins to drive affiliate traffic step by step clearly. To enable Pinterest idea pins for driving affiliate traffic, start by logging into your Pinterest account. Once logged in, navigate to your profile page. In the upper right corner, you'll see a plus sign icon. Click on the plus sign icon to open the content creation menu. Select Create Idea Pin from the options provided. You'll be directed to the Idea Pin creation interface. Begin by uploading engaging images or videos that showcase your affiliate products. Make sure your visuals are high quality and eye-catching. Next, add a title to your idea pin to grab attention. In the description box, include a brief but compelling overview of the content. Consider using keywords relevant to your affiliate products to enhance discoverability. Now, it's time to add texts and stickers to each frame of your idea pin. Use these elements to highlight product features or promotions. Once you're satisfied with your design, click on the Next button. This will take you to the publishing screen. Here, you can add the final touches, such as tags and additional information. To include affiliate links, select the option to add a link in the designated section. Paste your affiliate link here, ensuring it directs users to the right product. After reviewing your content, click Publish to make your idea pin live. Your idea pin is now set to attract traffic and drive affiliate sales. Monitor its performance through your Pinterest analytics to see how well it's generating engagement. Make adjustments as necessary to improve reach and effectiveness over time. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.